Hi everyone, it's Justine and Sharon here from Swim Style Patterns. Today we're going to be taking you through how to make the shorts from the Lara Loungewear pattern set. The pattern does include the top and the shorts, and we will be doing a tutorial on how to sew the top next Sunday. I'm so excited to finally bring you this pattern. We've been working so hard on it the last few months, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you do like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us continue to create content for you every week. The supplies that you'll need to create these pair of shorts is the pattern that we will link below. You'll also need a safety pin, elastic 25mm or 1 inch wide. You'll need some pins, a stretch or ballpoint needle for your sewing machine. You'll need some matching thread to your fabric. You'll need tape measure, scissors, and of course some fabric. I've cut out the front and back sections of the shorts pattern. I'll set aside one front and back section for the moment. Place the back section onto the front section with the right sides facing. Pin the sections together at the inside leg seam. Pin the sections together at the side seam. Stitch the front to the back at the inside leg seam and side seams. Repeat these steps with the remaining front and back sections. I've sewn each of the front and back sections together. Now turn one section right sides out. Insert it through the leg opening of the opposite section. Pin the sections together throughout the center seams. The back sections have notches. Match these so you have the correct pieces together. Pin the entire seam from the front to the back. Now stitch the short sections together. Turn the shorts right sides out. Fold the top edge down 3 centimeters or 1 1/4 inches. I recommend pressing the fold before you pin it. Now pin the casing at the raw edges and leave a gap at the center back. Stitch the casing and leave the gap to insert the elastic. Cut your elastic to the length recommended in the pattern instructions. Attach a safety pin to the end of the elastic and begin threading the elastic through the casing. Overlap and pin the ends of the elastic together by 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch. Check your elastic is not twisted inside the casing before you stitch it together. Stitch the elastics together. Stitch the casing closed. I've folded and pressed the hems in position and will now pin the hems. The hem allowance is 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch. Now stitch the hems and you're finished. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoy this loungewear set as much as I do. If you do like this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you keep seeing content like this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll be back next week for another tutorial on the top. Thanks for watching.